CalmCool, do you know if I could watch ads for free bits on the Twitch Windows app? Hey, CalmCool, I live in the US and I still can't watch ads for bits. CalmCool, please tell me how to get bits, please. CalmCool, why can't I watch ads for bits? Please, CalmCool, please, I'll do anything for some free bits. CalmCool, I know you know how to get those bits. I know you know! This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great. What's going on, all you CalmCoolSavages? I'm your host, Wesley. You're watching CCS TV. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get free bits by watching ads on the Twitch Windows app. Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments from people who live in the US and they still can't watch ads to get free bits. So I'm here to try to make a solution. Let me know if this works for you guys. Keep in mind that you can't watch ads for free bits if you live outside the USA. And this is for PC only. So if you can't watch ads for free bits on your internet browser, try downloading the Twitch Windows app. If you're not sure how to download the Twitch Windows app, stick with the video and I'll show you how to download it, and then I'll show you how to watch ads to get free bits. Also, recently I got a comment from someone saying that you can't watch ads to get bits if you have Twitch Prime. Now, I can't confirm this, but if you have Twitch Prime and you can't watch ads for bits, leave it in the comments below. So now I bet you're wondering, how do I download the Twitch Windows app so I can watch ads to get free bits? Let's talk about that. To download the Twitch Windows app, go to Google and search Twitch app. Then you're gonna wanna go ahead and click this link. This will bring you to the downloads page. Click on download for Windows. Once it's done downloading, open up the Twitch app and log into your account. Now, to get free bits, you have to go to a streamer that is affiliate. So for this example, we're gonna go to Andy Milanakis' stream. Once you're on the streamer's page, go down to the bottom right and click on the diamond shaped icon. Right above that, click on Get Bits. At the very top, it should say get 5 or more bits by watching short ads. Click on watch ad. It also says, before continuing to watch ads to earn free bits, we remind you that the bits acceptable use policy applies to your participation with this feature, and any bits you obtain. As a reminder, you may not obtain bits to cheer on your own channel or collect bits via this feature through the use of multiple accounts. With this in mind, go ahead and hit continue. With the Twitch Windows app, you don't have to worry about if you have ad block or not. The first thing you're gonna have to do is solve the verification puzzle. Click verify, then you're gonna want to solve the puzzle. Hit done, and your ad will load up.
Boost Mobile has a new upgraded network coverage.
Switch to Boost Mobile's new upgraded network and get 4 free LG K51 phones. As an essential service, we're
Let the
committed to
ad
keeping you
play,
connected by remaining open.
and once it's done, you're gonna want to interact with the ad in some way. At the top, it says, how do you feel about this ad? Click one of the 3, then go to I'm done. And look, you got 10 free bits. It's that easy. And that's how you get free bits with the Twitch Windows app. I hope this helps the ones who can't watch ads to get free bits that live in the US. If you live outside the US or you still can't watch ads to get free bits, leave a hashtag #FreeTheBits in the comments below. Also, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I would love to see you in the stream. If you guys like the channel and you want to support the channel, I've recently dropped some CCS TV merch, link in description. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. If you like the video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.